the magic knot. A lot of knitters will tell you that tying knots is a big no in knitting. And for quite a couple of reasons, they are actually right. But there's one prominent exception, the magic knot, or let's call it by its much more common name, the fisherman's knot. It is super simple. You are basically just tying two overhand knots close to each other. Let's do that together. So I've seen a lot of tutorials and they make this so complicated, but actually it's just two overhand knots close to each other, and I hope everyone knows how to tie an overhand knot. So place these two ends you want to join so they face in opposite directions, and then start with either end. Place the tail over and then go under, and then go over again to create a loop and go under and tie your first overhand knot. And do the same on the other side. Go over and under. Create a loop by going over and go under. So it's over and under. So now you have two overhand knots close to each other. And now you can just pull on these ends. And there is your neat and tidy fisherman's knot or magic knot. And now you can trim away these tails. Don't be scared. Oops. Actually can get a bit closer here. And do the same on the other side. And there you go. You joined these two ends together, and see, I can apply a lot of force and it won't come undone. And then you can just continue knitting. However, there's one very important note here. I mean, this is really super sturdy. However, typically knots don't come undone when you pull them, but rather when things ease up. And if you're working with a super slick yarn, that's something that may happen. Also, let me show you. This method leaves behind a little knot, and this can be visible. Here, see that knot? And sometimes, I mean, it's basically impossible to calculate where this knot will end up, so it sometimes wiggles through to the front, and that's not going to be all that pretty. However, if you're working with a super thin yarn or a super fuzzy yarn, then even if it is in front, it will be barely noticeable, so it is actually quite the viable technique.